Have you ever imagined turning artificial intelligence into a real money-making machine? We're not talking about the future, we're talking about right now. Today, you're going to discover the 10 most powerful and accessible ways to make money using AI, even if you're not a programmer or a tech expert. And if you think this is just for big companies or computer geniuses, get ready to change your mind. From the comfort of your home, with free or low-cost tools, you can start applying these strategies and transform your free time into a new income stream. Stick around to the end, because the final tip is so surprising and so underused. It could be the secret weapon that puts you ahead of the game. Let's jump right into the first way to make money with artificial intelligence. 1. Automated content creation with AI. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Writesonic, you can create articles, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, and social media posts in minutes. Websites and businesses are always looking for writers to fuel their blogs and social profiles, and you can offer this as a freelance service. You can also monetize your own YouTube channels or blogs with AI-generated content, drawing in traffic and earning passive income through ads and affiliate links. The secret is combining automation with the human touch in editing, ensuring quality and authenticity. Start offering content packages on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or reach out directly to freelance groups on LinkedIn and Facebook. This is one of the fastest and most profitable ways to turn AI into consistent income. 2. AI-generated image creation and sales. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo AI allow you to create digital art in seconds. You can sell these images on stock photo websites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and marketplaces like Etsy, where exclusive images are used for posters, book covers, t-shirts, and custom products. Many digital artists are already making thousands of dollars per month just by creating and selling AI-generated artwork. You don't need to be a design expert with the right prompt and a creative idea. You can generate images that sell. Plus, you can offer custom art services to content creators and businesses that need impactful, unique visuals. Use AI as your digital brush and the world as your art gallery. 3. AI-powered virtual assistant services. With platforms like Zapier, Manicat, and ChatGPT, you can set up smart virtual assistants for small and medium-sized businesses. These bots can answer customer questions, book appointments, provide tech support, and even sell products. If you have basic skills in automation and customer service, you can offer this as a consulting service. Many businesses want to improve their customer support, but have no idea where to start. That's where you come in, bridging the gap between need and solution, charging for setup, maintenance, and training. You can even sell pre-built automation packages for specific niches like clinics, e-commerce stores, or schools. Let AI do the heavy lifting while you collect the profits. 4. Creating and selling AI-generated courses and ebooks. With the help of AI, you can create online courses and ebooks on virtually any topic. Use ChatGPT to structure your modules, write chapters, create quizzes, and even scripts for video lessons. Platforms like Hotmart, Udemy, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) allow you to publish and sell your content without upfront costs. Pick a profitable niche like personal finance, digital marketing, or technical skills, and build a well-organized product. Design an eye-catching cover using AI tools, and promote your course with short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Over time, this can become a passive income stream that grows as your audience expands. 5. Automated YouTube channel creation. You can build entire YouTube channels using just AI tools. Write scripts with ChatGPT, generate voiceovers with tools like ElevenLabs or Emurf.ai, create visuals with Midjourney, and edit with platforms like Pictory or Runway, all without showing your face. Niches like fun facts, storytelling, finance, and tech are perfect for this model. The key is publishing consistently and optimizing your titles, descriptions, and thumbnails to grab attention. With dedication, you can monetize through YouTube's partner program, affiliate marketing, or even selling digital products. It's smart content creation with minimal human effort and maximum efficiency. 6. AI-generated audiobooks and podcasts. Audiobooks and podcasts are booming, and you can produce this type of content without a studio or microphone. With AI, you write the content, generate narration, and edit everything using platforms like Descript, ElevenLabs, or Adobe Podcast. You can create fictional stories, book summaries, motivational episodes, or informational shows. Upload your podcast to platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts and monetize through sponsorships or support via Patreon. For audiobooks, publish on Audible or Google Play Books. With catchy topics and consistent production, you'll build a loyal listener base that turns into revenue. 7. Low-code app development using AI. Tools like Bubble, Adalo, and Glide allow you to build apps without coding. With AI helping generate copy, design, and interface logic, you can develop useful apps and sell them to small businesses or even launch them on the App Store and Play Store. For example, scheduling apps, task managers, personal finance trackers, or habit journals. Entrepreneurs are willing to pay for a custom solution that meets their exact needs. You can offer this as a freelance service or launch your own digital product. AI reduces development time and costs, boosting your margins and helping you scale quickly. 8. Translation and localization with AI. With tools like DeepL, Google Translate, and ChatGapt, you can offer translation and content localization services. This is extremely valuable for businesses wanting to reach international markets. The key here is humanizing the content, adjusting expressions and tone to fit the local audience. By combining AI and your own review, you can deliver fast and professional results. You can charge by word, by project, or hourly, depending on the complexity. You can also use this skill to create multilingual versions of your own content, extending your reach and increasing profitability. 9. Data analysis with AI for businesses. Small businesses collect data, but often don't know how to use it. With tools like Tableau, Power BI, or even AI-augmented spreadsheets, you can offer predictive analysis, visual reports, and strategic insights. You don't have to be a data scientist. AI handles the heavy lifting. Just understand each client's needs and present the data in a clear, actionable way. This could include sales reports, customer behavior analysis, or trend forecasts. Businesses that make data-driven decisions are more likely to grow, and you can be the professional who delivers that edge. 10. Selling custom digital products. One of the most creative ways to make money with AI is by creating personalized digital products like planners, calendars, guides, templates, and smart spreadsheets. Use ChatGapt to write content, Canva to design, and Notion to structure it. These products can be sold on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Hotmart. The key is personalization. Offer versions tailored for specific audiences like students, freelancers, entrepreneurs, or moms. With good digital marketing and a solid sales funnel, you can scale this business and build a recurring revenue stream with minimal upfront effort. AI gives you the tools. Your creativity does the rest. And if you made it this far, chances are this video gave you real value. So why not take 2 seconds to help this content reach even more people? Hit that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming strategies on making money with AI. And drop a comment telling me which of the 10 methods you're most excited to try, or if you're already using one of them. Your engagement not only helps the channel grow, but it also tells me what kind of content you want more of. And hey, if you know someone who's been looking for new ways to make money, share this video with them. Remember, the future belongs to those who take action. So take the first step now, and I'll see you in the next video.